Hello and welcome to all. In the chapter Special Contract, today we are going to discuss about contract of indemnity. So what do you mean by contract of indemnity? It is a type of contingent contract. Now what do you mean by contingent contract? Contingent contract is depend upon happening or non-happening of some uncertain event. If the loss is actually taken place, then only the contract is performed. Indemnity holder cannot make profit out of loss. All essentials of valid contract must be fulfilled. If the object is void or against public policy, the contract of indemnity becomes void. What are these? Let us understand one by one. Can you see the image of an umbrella protecting something beneath under it? Contract of indemnity completely acts in this way only. It's one type of protection which is given by one party to another in order to cover the loss if it take place. So it is a contingent contract. The contingent contract come into force only if the loss actually taken place. Indemnity holder cannot make profit out of loss. All essentials of valid contract must be fulfilled. If the object is void or against public policy, contract of indemnity becomes void or it cannot be performed. Let us discuss with the definition. As per section 124 of Indian Contract Act, contract of indemnity means what? A contract by which one party promised to save another from loss caused by him by the conduct of promiser himself or by the conduct of other party. Now, in this image, all of you can see one person is drowning in water and another person is trying to helping him out of that loss. It means if a loss take place, one party is there to cover your loss. That type of contract is known as contract of indemnity. For an example, marine insurance policy. All of us used to take insurance cover in order to protect ourselves if such loss takes place. How many parties are there in the contract of indemnity? Indemnifier and indemnity holder are two parties which are contributed in the contract of indemnity. First party is known as indemnifier. The person who promised to cover the loss is called indemnifier. In simple word, insurance company or any such party which assures you to cover your loss if it takes place, then that party is known as indemnifier. And another party is indemnity holder. The person whose loss is to be compensated is called as indemnity holder. All insurance covered persons are known as indemnity holder. So, here are some of the rights of indemnity holder. Please remember who is an indemnity holder? A person who has taken some assurance from another person. If his loss take place, then that another party will cover the loss. That person is known as indemnity holder. An indemnity holder can cover all damages which he paid for any suit, all cost in bringing or defending any such suit, all cost which he might have paid to compensate any such suits. All these are the rights of indemnity holder. And what about indemnifier? The Act is silent about the rights of indemnifier. They are similar to the rights of surety in the contract of guarantee. So, for today, it is contract of indemnity. We will see next chapter in our next video. Thank you.